Good morning, and we've reached the middle part of the week, which again means it's time to celebrate successes, and we join in with a celebration of each other's successes with some commendations. And then to finish with today, I'm also going to award one or two more badges to some of our Year 6 boys. So, commendations this week. I hope you're all paying careful attention. In preschool, Yumna I, for consistently working hard and showing super progress with her writing, so very well done to you. Govey A, excellent work in maths. And Oliver W, always being kind and caring towards others, and that is so important. In reception, Totty M for reading, Tamu M for Peter Pan story, and Kian P for the Peter Pan story, Ayad I for writing, and Yifan C for art. Well done to you all. In Year 1, commendations this week go to Hardy S for writing, Reese H for original ideas, I like that one, Max A for art, Arinveer B for maths, Sean D for overall effort, Yaya B for overall effort, and Samuel K for creative writing. Well done to you. Year 2, Hamza K for poetry, Arham S for music, Ishan G for art, and Juvraj D for art. And in Year 3, Yusuf T for superhero creation. Like that one I do. Mohammed N for DT, and Arshid L for leadership. Nice to see. In Year 4, Adil S, poetry, Akil A for your superhero creation, Zachariah H for maths, Rahul S for maths, and Kai Y for maths. Commendations in Year 5 this week. Sebastian P for your superhero creation, well done. Alex F for computing, Arjun S for computing, Mohammed F for computing, and Yilin C for computing. And then finally for today, our commendations go to William B. I like this one. Hard graft and excellent attitude in all subjects. So well done, Will, on your hard graft. Samuel P for super work in English. Hassan W for your excellent attitude in all subjects. Andrew J, excellent attitude in all subjects. Isa A for great work in maths. Kasim A for consistently working hard. And then some final commendations this week. Kian B for art, Kasim A for art, and Jack M also for art. A huge well done to all of you. Now, as I said, I also want to hand out some more badges to Year 6 boys this week, because as I have said many times in my assemblies, we have the most incredible Year 6 group, true ambassadors for the school, every single one of them. And I want to recognise many boys as they head towards their time completing at West House School. And today I just want to hand out some badges to some other boys. We hear a lot about the prefects, we hear about the monitors and all the rest of it, but there are a number of other boys that contribute massively to the collective. So badges today, a bronze badge goes to Kian B. Silver badges go to Varon S, Jawad M, and Rohit R. A gold badge goes to Harris L, and a monitor's badge, very well deserved, goes to Milo W. So very well done to all of you. We have some fantastic Year 6 boys, but it is so nice to see everyone else still engaging, even though many of us remain at distance. But I suspect that in the not too distant future that might well change, and we'll be welcoming many of you back to school soon.